Hey everybody, Wild Ass Craig. We are currently on the lot of J&P Cycles here for Daytona Bike Week 2024. I'm going to go through with you real quick what's in the box of the Smart Air Gel Cushion. First thing we of course have to do is open that box. In it you will find your cushion with the manual kit. So we're going to get rid of that too. So in the manual kit is this little baggie, the manual that it comes with. It's windy here, folks. So we got straps to strap this thing to the seat. The straps go through the cover and around your seat. There's two orange peel and stick patches. In case you ever put a hole in this cushion, we give you what you need to fix it. Also, a sticker for the toolbox or the beer fridge. Use that at your discretion. Now, how do we set up the Wild Ass Smart? Now for setup on the Wild Ass Smart Air Gel, all we're gonna do is open this. The valve is right here. We ship this to you with the valve half open, so I'm going to give you a little presentation of what this does. The cover, if it gets dirty, you can simply wash that with a load of Darks. Don't dry it. We're going to close that valve. We want to make sure, kind of a good starting point is always that halfway. Of course, now we've learned that is too much air. So we're going to squeeze air out of that half. I've opened the valve and squeezed the air out of these two cells here, leaving the four closest to the valve with air in it. It doesn't look like it's enough, but when you sit on this cushion, you'll see how the interconnected air cells put the air where it needs to be to keep you seated comfortably. That will get you very close. Very small adjustments up or down from there is all you're going to need. You blow it up by mouth. That's how you set up the Wild Ass Smart Air Gel Cushion.